Hello RSJ. Today I have a tutorial on one of our most beginner-friendly cameras for both photo and video, the Nikon Z50. This camera is a great way to learn and explore camera settings while still achieving a very high-quality product. For this tutorial, I'm using the 16-50mm lens, but the kit also includes a 50-250mm lens. Start by powering on the camera using the switch on top of the camera. Here, you can also switch from photo to video and choose your shooting setting by spinning the wheel. Right now, I have my camera in photo mode and set on manual, so we can dial in each setting to our liking. Let's go over our basics. First, I am adjusting my shutter speed. This can be done by selecting it on the touchscreen or rotating the knob on the top corner of the camera. Next, I am adjusting my f-stop using the touchscreen. Here, I am adjusting my ISO. There is also a button on the top of the camera next to the record button that allows for ISO adjustment. Pressing the I button shows more of our settings. This will look very similar in video mode, only a few options changing, which we will go over later. Here is a quick rundown on each setting. Set picture control. These are preloaded filters. Color can always be adjusted in post, so it is probably not necessary to use these. Image quality. Image quality and size determine how much space each photograph occupies on the memory card. Here is a cheat sheet on each setting. Flash mode. Select a flash setting or turn off the flash. Release mode. Select if the camera takes one photo per press, captures multiple photos in a burst while the button is held, or uses a self-timer. AF focus mode. Select where the focus is on. Focus mode. Autofocus settings or switch to manual focus. Optical VR. Selecting on enables vibration reduction, which takes effect whenever the shutter release button is pressed halfway. Active D lighting. When on, details and highlights and shadows are preserved, creating a more natural looking photograph. Metering. Choose how the camera sets exposure. Here's a cheat sheet on the different options. White balance. Select a preset white balance setting based on your location, or change the temperature yourself. Pressing display changes our monitor display. Cycle through options, hiding settings, a white balance histogram, a level, and a larger version of our image settings. This button here switches from monitor to viewfinder. Automatic display switch will automatically switch from monitor to viewfinder when raised to eye level. Above the display button are the buttons to zoom in and out on your monitor. Zoom your frame in and out using the zoom ring on the lens. Now I've switched my Z50 into video mode just to show you some of the differences in the settings. Frame size and rate / image quality. Select movie quality and frame rate. Wind noise reduction. Turn wind noise reduction on or off for the in-camera mic or an external mic if you are using one. Electronic VR. Similar to optical VR, it reduces electronic vibration during filming. Microphone sensitivity. Adjust sensitivity for the in-camera mic or external mic if you are using one. Sometimes the camera will be set to auto control ISO. This means the ISO is being automatically adjusted if the optimal exposure cannot be reached. This also means it cannot be adjusted manually. In your menu settings, you can adjust the maximum sensitivity for auto ISO. If you want to be able to adjust ISO manually, you have to turn this setting off. The menu also has a variety of other in-depth settings you may need to explore. I just made sure to format my SD card so the next person who gets the camera does not get everything that was on my SD card. Make sure to upload your footage somewhere safe before doing this. Now you know exactly how to use the Nikon Z50 for both photo and video.